These are my Datura seedlings, and they'll get about 2 feet tall, and they make beautiful bell-like flowers. And they will keep blooming all summer. Here's one of my favorite garden tools. It's very convenient because it has a very sharp knife edge on this side, and it can be used as a trowel, and it can be used to cut along the surface of the soil if you want to do in a bunch of weeds, or it can be used to go down. It also has a convenient inch and millimeter measurement scale, so when you want to plant in a certain depth, you've got it right there in your hand.